Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? G plus host plus bus plus tears. Ghost bus tears. Ghostbusters. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Art. Hi, everyone. For those of you who may be wondering, Gene is still under the weather, but we expect to have him back with us on the program a little later this week. He's doing all right. Now, let me introduce our two contestants. Each of them has won some prizes. The lady on my right has won about $2,000 in prizes. Her name is Debbie Osborne. She's from Florida, and we're delighted to have her back with us today. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Her opponent has won about $3,000. He's from Southern California, and his name is Joe Coughlin. Welcome back to you.
Thank you, thank you.
Now, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the only contestant who is vulnerable, the only one who has lost a game, is Debbie, and that means this first game today is very important. But if you manage to win this one, Debbie, you could wind up enjoying this.
Sail, sun, snorkel, snooze, decisions. And you'll have plenty to make because there's plenty to do on the warm waters of Jamaica. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Montego Bay, and you'll spend 7 nights in Ocho Rios, Jamaica, at the Mallards Beach Hotel, a tropical paradise with spectacular waterfalls, sun-drenched beaches, and facilities for snorkeling, water skiing, deep-sea fishing, tennis, golf, and more, furnished by Mallards Beach Hotel. Alex.
Jamaica, man. On the board, that holiday. Easy to remember, number 9. Debbie, you get to go first today.
Okay, let's see what's right in the middle under number 13.
Toaster, oven, and broiler?
I need that. Number 20, please.
Diamond and pearl
I need that,
necklace.
too.
Is there anything you don't need? You need everything, don't
More
you?
kids.
Oh, more kids. All right. I have nothing to do with that. I can't help you in that area. Joe.
We'll try for the trip under number 16.
Wild card.
And number 9.
Number 9 for Jamaica. The match to that. At number 19. All right, remember, folks, there are still 2 takes up there. 3 doors swinging open for Joe Coughlin. Pick again.
Number 7.
His and her perfume.
And number 5.
No, personal whirlpool. Debbie?
Okay, let's see what's behind number 18, please.
His and her perfume and cologne.
Number 5?
Oh.
I can't believe it.
Yeah, well, believe it because it happened. Joe?
We'll go for the perfume, I believe, under number 7.
Yes.
And number 18.
7 and 18 is the match. Yeah. Debbie picked one of the numbers you had selected, but the wrong one. That's all. But it's still early, Debbie. Not to worry. Open it up, please. Try it again.
I'll go for number 6.
Green take.
And number 3.
No, but it's a wild card, so it's going to work out for you. The other green take, the lower right-hand corner at 25. She has nothing, but you have protection for your holiday in Jamaica. Open it up. 3 doors. Go again.
Let's try number 22.
CD player.
And I'll go for number 1.
Chocolates. No match. Debbie?
All right, let's see what's behind number 21, please.
Telescope.
Oh, and number 23, please.
Word processor. No match. Joe?
Ooh. Number 10.
Red take.
And number 5.
Personal whirlpool. No match. Debbie?
Okay, let's go over to number 17, please.
Personal whirlpool.
And number 5.
There's the match for the lady. She gets the prize at last, and she has a chance to solve the puzzle as a result. Go again.
Number 4, please.
Wild card for you.
Oh.
Now, what are you going to pair that up with?
Oh, boy. I'm blank. Let's try number 15.
15 is a word processor. The other word processor is at number 23. Let's open 3 panels for Debbie's benefit. again.
Okay, let's see. Number 24, please.
Toaster, oven, and broiler.
And number 1, please.
No. Chocolates. Joe.
We'll try number 2.
Diamond and pearl necklace.
Ooh.
You thought the toaster, oven, and broiler was there. Am I right?
I don't know what I thought.
Oh, okay.
Number 20.
20 is good. Diamond and pearl necklace. That's a good match for you. Now, you've got the tape, and she has put a couple of prizes into her column.
I'll take the word processor.
All right. Word processor going his way. And now we open these 2 panels. Select again.
Number 12.
Telescope.
And number 22.
Oh, no. Debbie.
Number 21.
Telescope.
And number 12, please.
Telescope. And I have a feeling that Debbie thinks she can solve this puzzle. Let's take a look and see.
Is it cutting corners?
Cutting corners sounds like a winner. And it is. Debbie is a winner. Come on, Debbie. Way to go. Watch your step. All right, you explain it.
All right. He has a cut on his finger there. And here's the ink for cut ink. And here's the corner with the Z. So corners. Cutting corners.
Cutting corners. Well done. You didn't cut any corners. You went right to it. Joe, first strike against you only, so our second game should be an exciting one. A tiebreaker between you and Debbie. We'll see you in that one.
I'll be there.
Debbie, we're going to hear about your prizes now. No, you won the personal whirlpool. And what else? What else did she win? Huh?
Telescope.
The telescope. Yes, the telescope. I couldn't see clearly. My telescope was clouded. We'll be back to put her in the winner's circle after this. All right, Debbie's ready. Her mom in the audience is ready. She wants her daughter to win a car. Let's put the numbers up. And now the clock. 40 seconds. Good luck, Debbie. Go to work.
1, 3.
No.
5, 7,
Nope.
9, 11,
Nope.
13, 5,
No.
9, 13,
Yep.
15, 1,
Nope.
2, 6, 7, 4,
No.
15, 4,
Right?
10, 12,
No.
6, 7,
No.
7, 12,
Yes.
10.
Well, you sure call them out loud. That's good. You got 3 of them matched up, and you also have $2,257 in prize winnings. And you get to play again against Joe when we come back. Oh, welcome back. Don't mind me, I was just looking through the home version of the classic concentration game to see what they got in the way of prizes. We have here a jukebox worth $3,500. We've got a large screen TV, roll-top desk, European vacation. You see a hot air balloon ride. That's one of the prizes we give away on the show. Wild card, takes. Boy, this is like the real thing. Have you got one of these?
I looked all over for one so I could practice.
Well, that's the attitude. That's the right attitude. I'll tell you what, we'll probably give you this. I'll say we are going to give her this one.
I
We'll
was
give you
hoping
this
that.
game. You take this game away from me when you leave us. But this, Debbie's got the right idea, folks. You get one of these, you can practice. You can have a lot of fun, too.
I get another prize. Yay.
Yeah, you get another prize. And if you practice enough, you could wind up being very, very good and winning some big prizes on our show. Practice makes perfect. You could wind up with this as a prize.
Rembrandt lamps Torchiere floor lamp executed in heirloom brass. And 2 table lamps with bright old brass finish and cream linen shades. Handcrafted with skill and artistry. Furnished by Rembrandt Lamps.
A
Alex.
set of lamps. Yes, indeed. Let's take a look on the board. Number 13. That makes it very easy to remember. Dead center. Okay, this is the second game of the day, so we have the bonus seconds. We have the cash pot, which is now up to $600, and we've got a Virginia Lake Resort vacation. But only one wild card. And Joe, you go first. Do you have the home game?
Yes, I do.
You do?
Yes.
Good, because we've only got one here, and I'm giving it to Debbie. You make a selection.
Okay, Alex, number 6
Fishing trip for 2.
and number 15.
Red take. Now, Debbie, he uncovers a fishing trip for two, and you get all excited. Why?
My husband and my two boys are fishing today, and they said if you win anything, win a fishing trip.
All right, well, you've got a chance in this game.
Okay. Number 8, please.
Wild card.
Number 6 for the fishing trip.
Gonna go for the fishing trip for two, all righty?
I can go home now.
Good. The other fishing trip for two is at number 14. Let's slide it into position quickly and show Debbie what these 3 panels reveal of our puzzle. Pick again.
Number 1, please.
Diamond and topaz earrings.
Oh. Number 15, please.
Red take, no match. Joe.
Number 17
5 bonus car seconds.
and number 4.
No, that's the cash pot. Debbie.
Okay, number 21, please.
Green take.
And number 24, please.
200 California lottery tickets. Joe.
Number 16
Green take.
and number 21.
Green take. Nice when you've just seen it a moment before. Now, she's got the fishing trip, and you're not going to do the dastardly thing and take it away from her.
No.
Thank you.
All right.
He's so nice.
He is, yes, indeed. Let's open up these 2 panels. Select again.
Number 3
Brass lamps.
and number 13.
13.
for the
I said it
match.
was easy to
There we
remember
go.
when it's right in the middle of the board.
Thank you.
Brass lamps going up there, and I'll just remind you about this, but you're not going to use it.
No.
No. In fact, you're not going to use it until you tell me you're going to use it.
Probably wouldn't, no.
Okay, he's not into fishing. You're safe, Debbie. Open the 2 panels. Select again.
Number 10
200 California lottery tickets.
and number 24.
200 California lottery tickets. Right on. Don't even bother with this. He's not using it. Open it up. Joe's in control of the board. Come up with a few matches in a row now. And remember, both players are vulnerable. They each have an X against them. So whoever loses this, it's adios. Joe?
Number 23,
Patio furniture?
and I'll try number 7.
No. Flatware. Debbie?
Okay, let's see what's behind 25.
Cash pot?
And number 4, please.
Cash pot?
Yes.
You got a shot at $600 in cash on that match, Debbie. Let's see if these 2 panels help you. Oh. Go again.
Number 12, please.
Flatware?
Oh, 19.
No, that's patio furniture. Joe?
Ooh, I hope I remember. Number 7
7 was flatware.
and number 12 for the match.
12 was flatware. Yeah, Debbie was right under it and didn't realize it. Now I can draw the take to your attention because she's got $600 in the cash pot.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
You might want to take the fishing trip.
No, I'll take the
In
cash.
which case you would earn the enmity of all of these people up here. They would really be against you. All right, open it up. Pick again.
Number 22,
Motorcycle.
haven't seen. Number 9,
Virginia Lake Resort. Vacation. No match. Debbie.
I want both of those. Number 2. And number 22.
Well, you got one of them. But you can only get one at a time. See. Let's open these 2 panels for Deb.
Can I have my take back?
Pick again.
Oh, number 18, please.
Diamond and topaz earrings.
Number 1, please.
Number 1? Yes, you remember that from a long, long ways back. All right, Debbie, a lot of this puzzle is showing right now. Can you do it? Pick again.
Number 5, please.
4 matches only remaining.
And number 15.
And the red take is one of them. Now, he has the cash pot, which he took away from you. Lottery tickets, brass lamps, flatware.
I want the money.
You're not dealing with a silly woman here, folks. She knows. She's grabbing the $600. Put it in her column. Open these two panels for Debbie. There are just 3 matches remaining. Debbie, pick 2 numbers.
Number 20, please.
5 bonus seconds.
Haven't seen that. 23, please. Saw that.
You saw that. You saw it there. Joe.
Number 19.
Patio furniture.
I know I just saw it. Number 23.
Yes. Yeah, every once in a while the brain kicks out for a while. Takes a little nap. Open the 2 panels for Joe. One more selection, and if you make a match, Joe, you clear the entire board.
Number 9.
Virginia Lake Resort.
Oh, man. Number 11.
Sometimes the magic works and sometimes it doesn't. It worked that time for Joe. We'll open the 2 panels. We'll show him 17 and 20. They match up, of course, the bonus seconds. And now, Joe, for a lot of prizes, solve this puzzle. Debbie, can you do it? All right, hands on your signaling buttons. I will help you. Remember, you can ring in only when the green light has gone on. The arrows are pointing at the first symbol, and it's half. 1/2. So half I, and that looks like a military cot, doesn't it? Joe.
Have I got a girl for you?
Have I got a girl for you? Have I got a win for you? Come on, Joe. All right, go ahead and explain it.
Well, you got the first 2 parts. Have I, caught, and then I had the egg, and I kept saying girl, but I didn't get the curl. Curl 4, and then this is a U, female sheep, is that right?
That's right. That's right. It worked out well for you. You know, you're one of those unique contestants who gets excited before he gives the response. And so far, it's worked out beautifully for you. Debbie, it didn't work out that well for you. 2 strikes against you, but you're going away with $2,257 in prizes. Congratulations. You're a super player. So long. Take care. All right, Joe. Big win for you. Let's hear about it right now. Art, tell them.
Joe, you've got 200 California lottery tickets and flatware. Retrano center stage, accented with 24-karat gold. Service for 8, finely crafted in the very best stainless steel, furnished by Retrano. Patio furniture, this charming patio dining group, crafted of tubular steel designed to be weather-resistant. Features 4 stacking armchairs, a tempered 48-inch glass-top table with a 7.5-foot diameter umbrella, furnished by Emu. And Joe, you're going to a Virginia Lake Resort. We'll fly you and your guests from Los Angeles to Roanoke, and you'll spend 6 nights at the Mountain Lake Resort in Virginia, where you may explore trails, ice skating, cross-country skiing, or just relax by an open fire, as guests have been doing for over a century, furnished by Mountain Lake Resort. And, of course, the elegant brass lamps and the 5 bonus car seconds, a prize package worth $5,958.
Big win, over $5,000. And the car round coming up right after this. Joe figures he's got a lock on it right now, believe me. Here are the 15 numbered squares. Clock has 40 seconds on it, but you picked up the bonus seconds, so you're working with 45. Good luck, go to work.
Thank you. 1, 2.
Nope.
4, 5.
Nope.
7, 8.
Nope.
10, 11.
Nope.
2, 10.
Yes.
13, 14.
Nope.
5, 6.
No.
8, 9.
No.
3, 9.
No.
6, 4.
No.
11, 4.
No.
6, 11.
Right.
7, 8.
No.
9, 15. 13, 12.
Kind of almost psyched yourself out there, because about a third of the way through that, I heard you say to yourself, oh, I lost it. I lost it. But that's all right. You've got $9,057 in prizes, including 2 fabulous vacations, and you're going to play again. We'll take a break. Art?
Some of today's participants may receive Nishika's revolutionary new 35mm three-dimensional camera. Uses standard color film, requires no focusing or special viewers, and take pictures that come to life. Furnished by Nishika Corporation. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
I have noticed something over the past couple of weeks, and I hope you have too, Marjorie, and Joe's a perfect example of that, and that is that we've had some exceptional contestants on the program. And I think part of that may be because of your announcement that you make every day, telling the people to call in. Do you remember the number offhand?
965-1234.
Call it.
Yeah.
Might wind up here. So long, everyone. See you next time.
This is Art James speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.